Since 1935, Matsuura has been providing manufacturing solutions and new technologies to the world. Today, we remain true to our heritage. Across generations and under the pioneering spirit of our founder and first president, Toshio Matsuura, and his son Masanori, we continue to work together to create success, innovate to meet customer needs, take pride in working safely, and be a leader that shapes the industry. Matsuura's 85 years of providing manufacturing solutions to the world and our current generation's pride in remaining true to that heritage means you can be confident partnering with us today, tomorrow, and for generations to come.